that. Alright, so let me show you this reflections example in Gdevelop. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create this effect in Gdevelop. I said Gdevelop 3 times already. Okay, so let me break down this scene here. This is our reflections tile water, which has to be set to opacity of 155. It doesn't have to, okay, but that's what they recommend. So let me just duplicate this, and I'm going to make my own tile water 2. I'm going to double click on it, and I'm gonna go to the assets here, and I'm going to duplicate the water, which I already did apparently. Okay, so I tried this earlier. So this will be tile water 3. Okay, there we go. So I can edit this. This has nothing to do with the reflections. I just want to make it a different color. Let's make the water, I don't know, like purple water, I guess. Just there you go. Purple water. I like that. Everyone loves purple water. Ask anyone. They'll be like, what kind of water do you want? And they're all gonna be like, purple water please, because you know that's what people like these days. Oh wait, it didn't change? I don't think it did. Where's my purple water? My purple water. Okay, there's my purple water. There we go. Perfect. Okay, drag the water like this. Now this doesn't have to be water, guys. It could be ice. It could be I don't know, anything. Okay. Now if you run this, you will notice that nothing happens. Actually, it just looks like I don't know, purple water. Okay. So yeah, let me go to scenes here, and I'm going to copy and paste this and change this to purple water 2, and now it will be like see-through. Okay, because this is setting up the opacity to 155. Okay, maybe just delete the other one. I could have just changed the object, but I like to make things complicated for some reason. So this is what actually creates the reflection. We can just add an action and create the reflections. Okay, but since we're lazy, we simply are going to, like, I don't know, copy that from here. I'm going to show you at the end of the video how to do it manually. Okay, so we want to make a new object. In the previous example that I tried to do earlier, before some dog started barking next door, it was a heart. Okay, so I already did a heart, so I'm just going to make something else, like a square or something. Yeah, okay, it would be a gift. There you go. Oh my god, let me see. Okay, wait, yeah, we'll stick to these real bad colors. It doesn't really matter. It's called new object 1. Okay, there is a reflection object, but you actually need to have a second object. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this. It will be object 2, and I'm just gonna call it object 2. Okay, so it doesn't. So we're gonna go to the scene here, and I'm going to literally just copy this and paste it here at the bottom. And we want to reflect. Let me just double click on this. Our reflection object is going to be the object 2, and the original object is going to be object 1. Okay, and we want to reflect this on tile water 2, which is the purple one. Okay, let's preview this, and we should have a reflection of a Christmas gift over here. So simple. I'm just gonna place it over here so you can see that this actually works. Okay, so we have the problem now that this is not reflecting the rest here, so we want that to also reflect, and all you have to do really is just change the this to reflect to the second tile thing, the purple water. So just switch everything to purple water. Okay. There we go. Everything is now being reflected. This here, let me make something, another of the, I don't know, some sort of red balloon. Everyone loves red balloons for some reason. And I'm gonna go to add action. And you can find this under other actions. You can actually just search for that and reflect. Add reflection. And we want the reflecting object, and then the original object, which will be this one, and the object we want to reflect the reflection. So just hit OK, and that should work. Just bring your apple. I think it's an apple or something, and it's not reflecting at the bottom. What is going on? Okay. Oh, the distance. Forgot the distance. 155. Opacity. We had to set the I forgot that we had to set the opacity here. Opacity reflection. And oh, okay. And we forgot the order of the layer. Okay. Forgot a lot of things actually. So this would be layer 1, and this one here we just leave it blank. For the distance we want 0. We thought we were done, but we were not done. Now this time it should reflect. There we go. Just like that. Let me place this over here. So you can see that it's actually reflecting. I think the opacity for this should be lower. I think it's a good color to have. Oh, actually just 90. See what happens. There we go. That looks a bit better. And I'm just gonna make some ripples in the water. Okay, save that. And now we have some sort of texture too with the water. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye now.
Okay, if I were a teacher and if I were to give you a report card, I would say turn down your sensitivity. That will help you in the game.
You know, I'm actually really
last player
I
standing.
know how to play with my sons.
Okay.
Son of the teacher. I wasn't wrong.
Placing sentry. Placing swarm grenade.
I think they're A.
Enemy spotted A.
I'm flanking.
Recalling my bot.
Enemy spotted A. Enemy spotted A.
Oh, I have spike mid.
Spike down mid.
Reloading. Terminated.
No, don't play for picks. Help me watch spike.
Sage killed.
Spike's here.
We got this.
Placing sentry. Swarm grenade out.
Enemy attacker spot.
Turret down.
30
One's
seconds
in their
left.
spawn.
One enemy remaining.
Nice, Omen. Hope Omen. Last one's on Omen.
Last player standing.
Oh, she doesn't have time. It doesn't
10
matter.
seconds left.
Hide. Just hide. No, no, no. Just hide. Queen, just hide. Nice.
Turret out. Placing alarm bot. Time for a field test. Placing swarm grenade.
Oh my god, there B. I
Enemy
just got
spotted
rocked in the
A.
head.
Enemy spotted A.
They're also A. False alarm. I did die at B.
Swarm
though.
grenade out. Variable removed.
Yes!
Spike down A.
Initiated. Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade out.
That one all the way around.
Found
Just
them.
look at me,
Got three.
Nice.
30 seconds left. Last player standing.